The 40-70 rule, often attributed to Colin Powell, is a guideline for making decisions, particularly in leadership roles. The rule suggests that leaders should make decisions when they have between 40% and 70% of the information necessary to make an informed choice. Waiting for more than 70% of the information may lead to missed opportunities or delayed decision-making, while making a decision with less than 40% of the information increases the risk of making a poor choice. The 40-70 rule encourages leaders to trust their instincts and draw upon their knowledge and expertise, even when they don't have all the facts. It recognizes that effective decision-making often involves a combination of analysis, intuition, and experience, and that waiting for perfect information may not always be feasible or advisable. By embracing this aspect of the 40-70 rule, leaders can develop confidence in their decision-making abilities and become more adept at navigating ambiguous or challenging circumstances with agility and effectiveness. Imagine you're considering investing in a particular company's stock. You've conducted extensive research on the company's financial health, analyzed its market position, and reviewed its future growth prospects. You feel reasonably confident in your understanding of the company and its potential. However, you're aware that there are still some unknown variables. Perhaps there's uncertainty surrounding upcoming regulatory changes that could impact the industry, or the company is planning a major product launch with unpredictable outcomes. In this scenario, you have more than 40% of the necessary information, you've done your due diligence and have a solid understanding of the company and its context. However, you don't have all the answers, and there are still factors outside your control. According to the 40-70 rule, this is an appropriate time to make a decision. You have enough information to make an informed choice, but waiting for additional data could lead to analysis paralysis or missed opportunities.